Hello, this is Alex from the National Weather Service in Pocatello with your Saturday morning Southeast Idaho weather hazard briefing for October 5th. Taking a look at the main impacts over the next few days, today will feature some isolated light snow showers mostly along and near the Montana and Wyoming borders this afternoon and early evening, with little or no snow accumulation. You'll also see some breezy conditions across the Snake Plain, but winds overall will be much lighter than what we experienced on Friday. And then looking ahead to Tuesday and Wednesday, we're expecting a strong cold front to plow southward from Canada, and that will bring a remarkable temperature drop from Tuesday to Wednesday, with temperatures dropping on the order of 20 to 30 degrees. We'll, of course, see some windy conditions along with that cold front and some mountain snow showers. Looking at your planning timeline for this week, again, little to no impact. That's why it's shaded gray colors here with the snow showers and breezy conditions for the areas you see there. We're expecting little to no impactful weather on Sunday and Monday. The only exception might be if you haven't protected any of your plants or crops, and they're still growing from the freeze we saw earlier this week. You may want to take steps to protect that vegetation as freezing conditions are forecast across all of southeast Idaho on Sunday morning. And getting into Tuesday, we'll begin to see snow move into the central Idaho mountains and Montana border region, along with windy conditions developing for essentially all of southeast Idaho, except for maybe down the park area. And then that cold front moves through late Tuesday evening, Tuesday night, bringing the windy conditions, the snow showers, and the much colder temperatures. In terms of how much snow and where snow might fall, it actually looks very similar to the weather system that we just experienced on Friday. Taking a look at the satellite picture this morning, we see some higher clouds out here over the eastern Pacific, and our next cold front is just off the screen here, just off of northwest of Alaska and into Siberia, and that front will cross Alaska, northwest Canada, and drop all the way into the northern U.S. Tuesday night and into Wednesday. Taking a look at the forecast radar for today, I'll back this up a few frames here for you. Again, the blue areas indicate the forecast for light snow showers, and you can see those basically from mid to late afternoon all the way into the evening hours across the Lemhi region, the Montana border region, and eventually down towards the Wyoming border region later this evening. By midnight or so tonight, all of that activity is forecast to come to an end, and overall accumulations will be light, generally less than an inch. We mentioned the breezy conditions for today. You can see those depicted here now with southwest to west winds on the order of 20 to 30 miles per hour across the Arco Desert. So about 20 miles per hour or so lighter than yesterday, but still a breeze. High temperatures today will begin to recover from the cool values that we saw on Friday, but still below average, a few degrees below average for this time of year. We will warm up a few degrees each day until we get to Tuesday. That's when temperatures will be warmest for the week, with highs approaching or exceeding the low 70s across the eastern Magic Valley or Snake Plain. So if you like mild temperatures, Tuesday's your day to enjoy those, because when we get into Wednesday, look how much temperatures are forecast to fall. 20 to 30 degree drop in temperatures with highs only in the upper 40s, near 50 across southern Snake Plain and eastern Magic Valley, and colder than that as you go north, and of course higher in elevation. And with that will come some very cold temperatures. It'll be the coldest morning so far this fall, Thursday morning across southeast Idaho, and there is actually some potential for temperatures to end up being even colder than that. We wanted to show you the progression of that cold front, so this is a look at temperatures just off the surface, and you can see the origins for that cold front over Alaska, moving through northwest Canada early next week, and finally spilling over across the northern Rockies Tuesday and into Wednesday. So certainly a significant temperature drop. But the cold won't last long, because we start to see moderating temperatures already by Thursday and Friday of next week. But certainly the most impactful period for the next few days looks to be in that Tuesday to Wednesday time frame. An early look at potential snow accumulations on the order of 1 to 3, maybe a little bit more inches of snow, mostly for the central Idaho mountains, Montana border region, and Wyoming border region. So there's a quick summary of the main impacts associated with over the next few days. If you have any comments, questions, or feedback, we welcome those to the phone number or email address you see there. Otherwise, have a good weekend, and we'll see you again tomorrow.